Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be discussing important questions from the chapter Plant Kingdom. Question number 1. Identify the correct statement. Bryophytes have true roots, stems and leaves. Pteridophytes require water for fertilization. Gymnosperms produce flowers and fruits. Angiosperms lack vascular tissue. The right answer is option B. Pteridophytes require water for fertilization. Pteridophytes have flagellated sperm that require water for fertilization. Bryophytes lack true roots and gymnosperms do not form flowers or fruits. Question number 2. The reserve food material in brown algae is mainly dash, starch, cellulose, glycogen, laminarin. The right answer is option D, laminarin. Brown algae store food as laminarin and mannitol. Starch is typical of green algae and glycogen is found in fungi and animals. Question number 3. Assertion. Mosses are considered amphibians of the plant kingdom. Reason. They require water for sexual reproduction. Both assertion and reason are true and reason explains assertion. Both assertion and reason are true but reason does not explain assertion. Assertion true, reason false. Assertion false, reason true. The right answer is option A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason explains assertion. Mosses live on land and need water for fertilization. This dependence makes them amphibians of the plant kingdom. Question number 4. Which of the following is mismatched? Chlamydomonas motile unicellular algae, Spirogyra filamentous algae, Laminaria red algae, Volvox colonial algae. The right answer is option C, Laminaria red algae. Laminaria is brown algae, not red algae. Red algae include Polysiphonia and Gelidium. Question number 5. Identify the incorrect statement. Gymnosperms have naked seeds. Ovules are not enclosed in ovary in gymnosperms. Double fertilization occurs in gymnosperms. Pollination is mostly by wind in gymnosperms. The right answer is option C. Double fertilization occurs in gymnosperms. Double fertilization is unique to angiosperms. Gymnosperms show only single fertilization. Question number 6. Which one correctly represents the life cycle dominance? Bryophytes, sporophyte dominant, pteridophytes, gametophyte dominant, algae, always sporophyte dominant, gymnosperms, sporophyte dominant. The right answer is option D. Gymnosperms have a dominant sporophyte generation. Bryophytes are gametophyte dominant and pteridophytes sporophyte dominant, whereas algae vary. Question number 7. Assertion. Bryophytes lack vascular tissue. Reason. They grow in moist habitats. Both assertion and reason are true and reason explains assertion. Both assertion and reason are true but reason does not explain assertion. Assertion true, reason false. Assertion false, reason true. The right answer is option B. Both assertion and reason are true but reason does not explain assertion. Both statements are true but moist habitat does not explain the absence of vascular tissue. It is a primitive feature. Question number 8. Which of the following groups show heterospory? All bryophytes, all pteridophytes, some pteridophytes like Selaginella, all algae. The right answer is option C. Heterospory is seen in some pteridophytes like Selaginella and Salvinia. It is an important evolutionary step toward seed habitat. Question number 9. The dominant plant body in bryophytes is the dash, while in gymnosperms it is the dash. Gametophyte, sporophyte, sporophyte, gametophyte, sporophyte, sporophyte, gametophyte, gametophyte. The right answer is option A. Bryophytes have dominant gametophyte generation and gymnosperms have dominant sporophyte generation. Question number 10. Which statement is correct regarding red algae? They contain chlorophyll A and B only. They lack phycobilins. They are mostly fresh water. They store Floridian starch. The right answer is option D. Red algae store food as Floridian starch. They contain chlorophyll A and phycobilins and are mostly marine. Question number 11. Identify the correct statement. Protonema is diploid in mosses. Antiradiophores are present in mosses. Sporophyte of bryophytes is dependent on gametophyte. Archegonia are absent in Bryophytes. The right answer is option C. Sporophyte of Bryophytes is dependent on gametophyte. The Bryophyte sporophyte remains attached and nutritionally dependent on gametophyte. Protonema is haploid and Archegonia is present. Question number 12. The pigment responsible for the red color in red algae is dash. Chlorophyll B, phycoerythrin, fucosanthin, carotene. The right answer is option B. Phycoerythrin masks chlorophyll and gives red color. Fucosanthin is found in brown algae. Question number 13. Assertion. Gymnosperms are heterosporous. Reason. They produce microspores and megaspores. Both assertion and reason are true and reason explains assertion. Both assertion and reason are true but reason does not explain assertion. Assertion true, reason false. Assertion false, reason true. The right answer is option A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason explains assertion. Gymnosperms produce two types of spores, microspores and megaspores. This defines heterospory. Question number 14. Which of the following is correctly matched? Ectocarpus red algae, Gelidium brown algae, Polysiphonia red algae, Volvox brown algae. The right answer is option C. Polysiphonia belongs to red algae. Ectocarpus is brown algae, Gelidium is red algae and Volvox is green algae. Question number 15. Identify the incorrect statement. Pteridophytes have vascular tissues. Ferns show cercinate vernation. Mosses possess rhizoids. Bryophytes have independent sporophyte. The right answer is option D. Bryophytes have independent sporophyte. Bryophyte sporophyte is dependent on gametophyte. Question number 16. Which of the following shows diplontic life cycle? Spirogyra, Fucus, Funaria, Merchandia. The right answer is option B. Fucus. Fucus shows diplontic life cycle with dominant diploid phase. Others are haplontic or haplodiplontic. Question number 17. In Gymnosperms, the female gametophyte is commonly called dash. Endosperm, embryo sac, prothallus, ovule. The right answer is option A. Endosperm. Gymnosperm female gametophyte is haploid and called endosperm. In Angiosperms, endosperm is triploid. Question number 18. Assertion. Double fertilization is absent in Gymnosperms. Reason. They lack Archegonia. Both assertion and reason are true and reason explains assertion. Both assertion and reason are true but reason does not explain assertion. Assertion true, reason false. Assertion false, reason true. The right answer is option C. Assertion true, reason false. Gymnosperms lack double fertilization but they do have Archegonia. Question number 19. Identify the correct statement. Archegonia are absent in Pteridophytes. Microspores develop into male gametophyte. Seeds are formed in Pteridophytes. Ovules are present in Bryophytes. The right answer is option B. Microspores give rise to male gametophyte. Seeds and ovules are absent in Bryophytes and Pteridophytes. Question number 20. Which of the following is not a feature of brown algae? Presence of fucosanthin, cell wall with cellulose and algin, storage food as laminarin, presence of chlorophyll B. The right answer is option D. Presence of chlorophyll B. Brown algae contain chlorophyll A and C, not B. Fucosanthin gives them brown color. Question number 21. Which one shows isomorphic alternation of generations? Ectocarpus, Funaria, Pinus, Cycas. The right answer is option A. Ectocarpus. Ectocarpus has similar looking sporophyte and gametophyte. Others show heteromorphic alternation. Question number 22. The first formed cell of bryophyte gametophyte is dash. Zygote, protonema, sporogonium, spore. The right answer is option B. Protonema develops from spore and forms gametophyte. It is filamentous in mosses. Question number 23. Assertion. Angiosperms are the most advanced plants. Reason. They have enclosed seeds within fruits. Both assertion and reason are true and reason explains assertion. Both assertion and reason are true but reason does not explain assertion. Assertion true, reason false. Assertion false, reason true. The right answer is option A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason explains assertion. Enclosed seeds provide protection and better dispersal. This contributes to angiosperm success. Question number 24. Which of the following is a living fossil? Pinus, Cedrus, Neetum, Cycas. The right answer is option D. Cycas is considered a living fossil due to primitive features. It shows characteristics similar to extinct plants. Question number 25. Identify the incorrect match. Richia liverwort, Funaria moss, Merchandia liverwort, Selaginella fern. The right answer is option D, Selaginella fern. Selaginella is a pteridophyte but not a true fern. Ferns belong to class Phelicopsida. Question number 26. Which of the following has siphonogamous condition? Bryophytes, Pteridophytes, Gymnosperms, Algae. The right answer is option C. Gymnosperms use pollen tube for fertilization. Water is not required. Question number 27. In Angiosperms, the ovule develops into dash after fertilization. Fruit, seed, endosperm, embryo. The right answer is option B, seed. Ovule becomes seed and ovary develops into fruit. This is a key feature of angiosperms. Question number 28. Which of the following plants has motile sperm? Pinus, cycas, wheat, mango. The right answer is option B. Cycas has flagellated motile sperm. Most other gymnosperms like Pinus have non-motile sperm. Question number 29. Which statement is correct about angiosperms? They show double fertilization, they lack vascular tissue, seeds are naked, gametophyte is dominant. The right answer is option A. They show double fertilization. Double fertilization is unique to angiosperms. They have vascular tissue and dominant sporophyte. Question number 30. Assertion. In angiosperms, endosperm is triploid. Reason. It is formed by fusion of one male gamete with two polar nuclei. Both assertion and reason are true and reason explains assertion. Both assertion and reason are true but reason does not explain assertion. Assertion true, reason false. Assertion false, reason true. The right answer is option A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason explains assertion. Triple fusion leads to the formation of triploid endosperm. This is a defining feature of angiosperms. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel to practice more NEET MCQs.